Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You know that the last have not yet been heard about the plan to buy presidential jets for President Bola Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima. And you know that was part of the stories or issues that trended within the week. Already the Senate committee and the House of Reps committee have approved that the new aircraft be bought by the president, and they claim that the cost of maintaining the presidential jet is high. So instead of spending money maintaining the presidential jets or fleets, that the best thing is to buy a new aircraft, because according to them, the cost of maintaining the 19-year-old aircraft used by the president has led to longer downtime and higher fleet running costs. Now, one of the prominent Nigerians that have kicked against purchasing a new aircraft for the president is the major opposition leader in Nigeria and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. And he had, in a tweet recently, in his X handle, he explained why that shouldn't be the priority of Nigeria amidst the hardship in the country, amidst the poverty level in the country, amidst the infrastructural decay and the sorry state of our hospital facilities and everything. He felt that it shouldn't be the priority of the government right now to buy aircraft, a new aircraft for Bola Tinubu and his vice. But you know that this administration, they are good in propaganda. And one of their top propagandists is Bayo Onanuga. Now, Bayo Onanuga is now asking whether presidential candidate of Labour Party wants Tinubu to die. Already, if you read the report by the House of Reps committee that approved the purchase of aircraft, they were hinting that Nigeria's unity is a fragile country, that if anything is to happen to any of the leaders, if we don't buy a good plane for them and anything happen to them, it could cause serious problem in the country. So House of Reps started it. Now Bayo Onanuga, the special advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, has taken it to a new high by claiming that Peter Obi should answer whether he wants the president dead. He said that Peter Obi should answer that question. Does Peter Obi want the president dead? And Bayo Onanuga, countering Peter Obi, said that the purchase of another aircraft is a necessity. Say it's a necessity. Purchasing a new aircraft is a necessity. But there are several countries, developed countries, that don't have presidential jets for their president. Their president fly commercial. But he said, Bayo Onanuga said the purchase of another aircraft is a necessity. He said the proposal is a basic thing any sane government will do, because he cannot toy with the president's welfare. So the job of any government is to ensure that the welfare of the president is taken care of. It is not about the welfare of the people. He said the proposal is a basic thing any sane government will do, because it cannot toy with the president's welfare. So is that what was written in the Constitution? The Constitution that I have seen said that the protection of life and property and the welfare of the people shall be the main essence of government, not about the president's welfare. After all, Bola Tinubu himself, he's a billionaire. He has a private jet before he became president. So if welfare is his major need in life, why does he need to come and be president of Nigeria? He's wealthy. He has private jet or even jets. And he can take care of himself. He can enjoy the luxuries that the Dangotes of this world can enjoy. So the presidency office is not for luxuration. It is for work, to work for Nigerian people. That's why the best form of leadership in the world today is servant leadership. Coming to office to serve the people as a servant of the people. It is not for the people to take care of your welfare. It is not for the people to take care of your welfare. It is for you to serve the people. So saying that no sane government will not, no sane government will not prioritize the welfare of the president above every other thing. No. There are many sane governments in the world that don't even consider it necessary to have presidential fleet. The Prime Minister of Britain goes with the British Airways. No special presidential fleet for him. And there are several like that. In Germany, the same thing. In France, the same thing. Only recently there was the president of France had challenges in flying. So the idea that no sane government cannot prioritize the welfare of the president by providing private jet for him, by providing a presidential jet for the president, is not true. Now look at what Bayo Onanuga was asking. He said, does Peter Obi want president dead? Is that his wish? Does he want him to continue moving around in a rickety plane and die like the Vice President of Malawi and Iran president? Let him tell us. So that is the million-dollar question they want Peter Obi to explain to them. You know, when the National Assembly was brought up this matter, those of us know that thing, the idea of a new aircraft, came from the presidency. But if you see Ren or Mockery and all this, they say, why is Peter Obi complaining that it wasn't the presidency that said they want plane, that it was the National Assembly that said they should change the plane for the president. It's just like the national anthem that they changed. It was the brainchild of Tinubu, but it was passed down to some people in the National Assembly to bring it up. So the presidency, from their reaction now, you know that the idea of buying the plane is not a question of National Assembly people caring about the life of the president. It was the presidency that brought up the idea that they want a new plane. And Bayo Onanuga's attack on Peter Obi and the way he presented it, it is now obvious that they engineered the need for a new aircraft for the president. Even though it is reported, it is believed that Nigeria has almost 10 aircraft in the presidential fleet. How all of them deteriorated at the same time, only God knows. But whatever may be the case, it is not right for them to say that Peter Obi should tell them whether he want the president dead. Peter Obi don't want the president dead. I don't need Nostradamus to tell me that Peter Obi don't want the president dead or anybody dead. Peter Obi was brought up in a Christian home. His family members, his siblings are serving the Lord as priests and sisters in the Catholic Church. So he is not somebody that can wish anybody dead, including Bola and Tinubu. But the truth of the matter remains that Peter Obi say that shouldn't be the priority. That shouldn't be the priority of Nigeria at this time. Taking care of the welfare of the president at the expense of the welfare of Nigerian people. I don't see anything hard for the presidency and Bayo Onanuga to understand. That is where Peter Obi stands, from what I can see from his intervention. It is not because he wants the president dead. That is not his agenda. His agenda is to see to the welfare of Nigerian people who are suffering under unprecedented hardship that this country has ever seen. Like the New York Times rightly pointed out, we are having an economic crisis that has never been experienced in a generation. This is not a time to talk about the welfare of a minute group of people at the expense of the generality of Nigerian people. So the idea of using emotional blackmail against Peter Obi, that if you oppose the purchase of the aircraft, it means you want the president dead, is infantile as far as I can see. That's my take on this. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.